So I encourage listener to make a decision on your latest newsletter. I'd like to read something from it.
Oh,
More clients increase delivery pains. Growth does not cause this problem. Growth reveals them.
I wonder who
This,
wrote
the
that.
sooner
I
it's
like it.
profound. It's simple but profound. It's very difficult to veer or to change from most connected to best connected. It takes a lot of time. I did that myself years ago. I still remember it, it's a horror thing to go to. So pick one. And if we remember the difference between bottom line and top line, then you can't say, I now have 4,000 connections, but my bank account doesn't look good. If
Mm.
your bank account is more important, then connections are a means to an end. They don't give you revenues per se. You could translate them into revenues.
Yeah, very much so like the people that get the likes and the thumbs up and the follow me, but really truly on other platforms, it's the engagement that you get. It's someone who responds to your post and that you can start to have a conversation with that actually turns into business. So those fake likes and oohs and hearts and all those funny things that people go after are useless when you're trying to build a network for business purposes, which a lot of us are, right? And I think that's the best thing. So thank you for breaking down the difference between most connected and best connected, right? So that way we can go in and say, well, I want to be connected more with people that are apt to be my clients or know my clients that can be referral partners and introductions to. I love it.